All right, guys, let's do number 35. So, a child is surprised that she must pay $1.36 for a toy marked $1.25 because of sale tax. What is the effective tax rate on this purchase expressed as percentages? All right, so she buys a toy that's marked. Wait, what? Okay, so there's a toy here, and that toy is going to be marked $1.25, and she must pay a little extra amounts of that money. So there's going to be some amount that's going to be added to some sale tax. So some specific amount to make a total of 1.36. So the question is, what is the tax amounts to that? So I'm kind of changing it around, but you know, I don't know how to solve these at the top of my head. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some logic here, folks. So she pays $1.25 plus an extra amount. So some percentage of the amount of the original price, which I'm going to call X over 100, because that's just the way I'm going to set it up. Or actually, let's just not do that. Let's just put zero there. So let's just put that amount. What is that specific fraction of the amount that we're going to find? So all we have to do, folks, is use some math here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the difference. We're going to solve for x. So we're going to take 1.36 minus 1.25. So that's going to be 0. That's going to be 1, 1, I believe. Yep, it's 1, 1. So x is going to be 0.11 divided by 1.25. And I'm going to multiply by 100 on both sides. So I'm going to kind of change this value and just take that amount, because realistically, you could keep the decimal if you want. It's really the same thing. So I'm going to take that, and I'm going to multiply it by 100. So x is going to be specifically the value of 0.088 once you put this in the calculator. Now, a percentage just means 1 over 100. So I'm going to convert this 10th hundredths and convert this from 8.8 over 100. Because they're the same value, they're just written differently. And that 100% we're going to ignore, and we're going to write that as a percent symbol. So the answer is going to be 8.8%. So I know I went too fast, folks, but keep in mind, this is algebra that, for you guys to get familiar with. Hope you guys enjoy.